What's up mga paps? Gusto mo bang mapadali and maging consistent ang pagsunod mo sa intermittent fasting schedule mo? Share ko sa inyo tong 5 intermittent fasting hacks para mas madaling gawin yung pag-fast natin. Delay breakfast gradually. Hindi mo naman kailangan biglain. Instead of skipping breakfast agad, pwede mo namang i-delay lang ng 1 hour per week until maabot mo yung target fasting window na 16/8. Number 2, stay busy during fasting hours. Gutom ka ba talaga? O baka naman bored ka lang? Stay busy. Tumakbo ka, maglakad ka, magbasa ka, maglinis ng bahay. Get busy para hindi mo maisip ang pagkain. Number 3, drink black coffee or tea. Basta walang cream or sugar, ha? Allowed to during fasting because it helps suppress appetite and keeps your energy up. Number 4, break your fast with protein and fiber. Para iwas binge, break your fast with protein, veggies, and konting oats. Protein plus fiber is equal to busog agad. So, iwas cravings. Use an intermittent fasting app or timer. Gamit ka ng app like Zero or Life Fasting. Siyempre, mas nakaka-motivate pag may sinusumtan kang tracker daily. Yun lang. That's your 5 intermittent fasting hacks. Consult your doctor and then subukan mo. Let me know kung effective ba. Alright? Happy Saturday! Run, run, run!